Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode of Tanya's Slice of Heaven. Today we're gonna do a mouth-watering, flavorful salmon fillet. I have two salmons. One is a wild caught, the other one is regular. We're gonna do both. One is going in the oven and the other one's going on the stove. Let's start with the ingredients. Bourbon sauce, minced garlic, teriyaki sauce, wild caught salmon, and regular salmon, red pepper, yellow pepper, and orange pepper, 1 onion, extra virgin olive oil, pepper and garlic powder. Let's start seasoning the fish. Now when I make salmon, I don't use salt because the teriyaki sauce and the bourbon sauce, it's pretty salty. So you don't have to add salt. Now that was the garlic powder, and now I'm gonna add the pepper. So I usually keep the skin on because when I cook it, it falls off. So we can continue with the seasoning. And I find with fish, you don't, if you really enjoy the taste of it, you don't have to season it heavily. Okay, so now the fish is seasoned and I'm gonna let it sit so that seasoning can marinate in there, okay? Now we're gonna start with the cutting, with the chopping the peppers and the onions. So I'm gonna put this on a plate and set it aside. Okay, now we're gonna go over to the stove and we're gonna sear the salmon. Now just put 1 coating of oil on the pan, in the pan, and let it get warm. Let it get hot, because you want to hear that sizzle as soon as you put that salmon in there. Okay, let's start by putting the salmon in the pan. Hopefully it's hot and oh, look at it. Oh my God. Let it sizzle. So now by cooking it this way, the skin will automatically fall off. Some people like the skin, some people don't. Sometimes I let the skin come off and I actually fry the skin, and it really tastes delicious. Tastes like chips. Okay, you keep it in the pot long enough, let it brown, and then you flip it on the other side. Okay, let's check to see. It's been about 6 to 7 minutes. You see that skin? It comes right off. Look at that. Gonna add a little more seasoning. Okay, so you don't have to wait for the other side to cook. You can add the peppers and the onions. Because it's gonna cook after I put all of the peppers and onions on. Doesn't that look beautiful? Look at that, all those colors. And now I'm gonna add the garlic I put the garlic on top because I don't want it to burn. And now you just turn the fire down a little, and then you add the sauce. I'm gonna do a bourbon sauce on top. This was a highly requested meal whenever I would have a party. Everyone said, make sure you make your salmon. And now, just to thin it out because the sauce is concentrated, I'm just gonna add some water. This is 1 cup of water. And then it calms down. And now you cover it, but make sure you turn the fire down. And let it simmer for maybe 20-25 minutes. Come back, we'll check it. So while that's cooking, I'm gonna show you how to make the other salmon. Okay, while that salmon is cooking, we're gonna do the other recipe. This recipe is basically the same as that, except you just have to put it in the oven. So, and I use some foil. That's what we're gonna use to wrap it to hold all those juices in there. So let's get started. This is the wild caught salmon. Okay, I am gonna smother this with garlic, minced garlic. Okay. Then I'm gonna add the peppers and the onions again. And it's already been seasoned, so it's been sitting for a while. It's been marinating. All those seasonings are in there. Next, I'm gonna take some teriyaki sauce and pour it all over that fish. Now, there's not a lot of it, but it's a small piece of fish, so we don't need a lot of sauce. Okay, I'm gonna add more water all around. This is 1 cup of water. And then I'm gonna add the garlic on top like I did before. I'm gonna add more garlic. And now we just wrap it. You don't have to wrap it tightly. You can wrap it loose. So this goes in the oven for about an hour. And then after that, you can check to make sure that it's done. And then you can open it and let it brown a little more. And it will be delicious. Let's take a look, see. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. That is gonna be delicious. Okay. Let's scrape it off the bottom. That is almost ready. It's been about 30-35 minutes. So I'm just gonna coat it with a little more sauce on top. I'm gonna let it cook without the top just so we can add a little thickness to the sauce. Okay, it's ready. Okay, let's see what we did. Ooh, look, it's still bubbling. Okay, I made some rice the other day for dinner, so we're gonna add that to it. Some rice and beans. Okay. Now we're gonna go right in. That's right, I'm going in, everybody. Okay, get a nice size. Look at that. Put a little extra on the side. And now we're gonna get some of these peppers. These delicious red and yellow peppers with the garlic. And now let's get a little sauce. That looks so good. And this is just the first one. So wait, we'll see. We'll check on the second one when we're done. Okay, what time is it? The best part. You only get one best part. You get two best parts. And if you want a healthy meal, but you want it to taste good, make this. Let's go. I'm excited. Let's see. Let me get a little rice in here too. Just a little pepper. Please make this. It's so good. It's so healthy. It's delicious. Okay, so we had our tasting, but we're gonna have another one after our salmon is done cooking in the oven. And then I can tell you which one is my personal favorite. Okay, let's check on the salmon, the baked salmon. I opened it while we were on break, and I'm just gonna put a little sauce on top. Yeah, it's time. We can take it out now. She's definitely ready. Now this is the wild caught salmon. Okay, it's time to come out. She's ready. Okay, this is the finished product. Now we just have to plate it. Okay, we're gonna take this whole piece and put it on the rice. Ooh, look at that. You gotta love it. And then of course we're gonna do it again. We're gonna add some sauce from the pan, the drippings. Look at that, that looks so delicious. Now after seeing this, I know you want to make it, and I just showed you how easy it was. So come on, get in that kitchen, make this. Okay, now you getting two today, 2 tastings. So let's go. Let's get a little bit of everything. Now this is hot, so bear with me. Honestly, I don't know which one I prefer better. I thought it would be the wild caught salmon, but the other one tastes just as good. It's all a matter of taste, like what sauce you use. I used the bourbon sauce, and I also use the teriyaki sauce. Teriyaki sauce tastes delicious, bourbon tastes delicious, so it's basically your choice. Okay, so you have 2 options. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching today, and make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Bye. See you in the next video.